Hello friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel Ambrose Ambedkar. Today the matter of discussion is present perfect tense. In earlier videos on English grammar we have talked about present tense, its two parts, present indefinite tense and present imperfect tense. And today in this video we'll be dealing with present perfect tense. Friends, present perfect tense is such a tense which talks about the perfect tense actions or activity, the completed actions or activity in recent time or in present time. Okay, and this tense is very important in present tense. Okay, and this tense talks about those actions or those activities or those state of being which has completed before some time in present time. Okay, and now we'll talk about identification of this tense. How can you recognize which sentences will come under this tense? That is very simple, identification. Friends, if you see sentences which end with chuka, chuki, चुके प्लस है, लाइक चुका है, चुकी है, हाउ चुके हैं, ओके, एंड हूँ, लाइक चुकी हूँ, चुका हूँ, ओके. And any sentences if you see those sentences end with chuka hai, chuki hai, chuke hain, those all sentences will come under present perfect tense and formulas of this tense will be applicable in order to translate those Hindi sentences. Or you can say ya, ye, e, ए प्लस हैं, हूँ, ओके, हो, है, इन दिस वे. जैसे मैं गया हूँ, वह गया है, like this. So don't get bothered. We'll have some examples and those examples will be very helpful in making confusion less discussions. Okay, first of all we'll move towards the formula, and you know and I also know there are mainly 6 formulas in every tenses, and the first sentence on which formula will be made is affirmative sentence of this tense. So here is affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Friends, you know affirmative sentence of any tense starts with subject. So here rule will start with subject, as for subject, then verb, and in this sentence main verb comes with has or have. Okay, and then third form of verb is used. Which form of verb? Third form of verb is used, and then other words or object plus complement, and full stop is very important. By this sign you can complete the sentence. Now examples like मैं खा चुका हूँ. Okay, and if you translate this sentence into English then this formula will be applicable, and this formula says first you have to keep subject. What is subject? मैं खाता हूँ. How can we find out? कौन खाता है? मैं खाता हूँ. कौन खा चुका है? मैं खा चुका हूँ. Then the answer is मैं. That's why I or English of मैं is subject. So I and have comes with I. I have. Okay. This and this. And now V3 खा चुका. The V3 of खाना, that is eats, V3 is eaten. Okay, I have eaten. मैं खा चुका हूँ. This completes right now. More examples we have and we can have, like सीता बाजार गई है. Okay, and if you translate, you can write first subject, then has or have, then V3, then other words, and at last full stop. Sita is subject. Sita is third person singular number, that's why has will come with this subject. Sita has. Goes, V3 is gone. Okay, Sita has gone. Market, to market. Sita has gone to market. Okay, many examples we can have, like सीता खा चुकी है. सीता हैज इटन. मैं आ चुका हूँ. आई हैव कम. तुम लोग खेल चुके हो. यू हैव प्लेड. तुम लोग कबड्डी खेल चुके हो. यू हैव प्लेड कबड्डी. सीता नाच चुकी है. सीता हैज डांस्ड. सीता स्टेज पर नाच चुकी है. सीता हैज डांस्ड ऑन द स्टेज. मैं रोटी खा चुका हूँ. आई हैव इटन ब्रेड. आप चावल खा चुके हैं. यू हैव इटन राइस. मैं यह किताब पढ़ चुका हूँ. आई हैव रेड दिस बुक. मैं रामायण पढ़ चुका हूँ. आई हैव स्टडीड द रामायणा. सीता स्कूल जा चुकी है. सीता हैज गॉन टू स्कूल. Many sentences you can have in the form of examples in order to make your concept confusion less. And now we'll move further. Okay, so I erase, and now the number of sentence which come will be negative sentence of present perfect tense. So talk about negative sentence of present perfect tense. So friends, there is no more complexities or complexions or complexness in negative sentence of present perfect tense. It's very easy and clear. How? Before this sentence you have studied affirmative sentence. Only you have to put not after have or has, and in this way you will find the formula of negative sentence. Subject plus has or have, and then plus not plus V3 plus other words plus full stop. Okay, and this way completed. Examples: मैं नहीं खा चुका हूँ. Friends, rule says subject will come first, and the subject of this tense is I. मैं. I possess have. I have. Then not. I have not. V3 of खाना eaten. I have not eaten. मैं नहीं खा चुका हूँ. ओके. शिक्षक यह पाठ नहीं पढ़ा चुके हैं. शिक्षक यह पाठ नहीं पढ़ा चुके हैं. फ्रेंड्स, शिक्षक यह पाठ नहीं पढ़ा चुके हैं. शिक्षक is the subject of this sentence, then the teacher. Okay, and then नहीं has not. पढ़ाना taught. teach का V3 taught. द टीचर हैज नॉट taught यह पाठ, दिस lesson, the teacher has not taught this lesson. Many the teacher has not taught this lesson. Many sentences we can have in the form of examples like आप दिल्ली नहीं जा चुके हैं, you have not gone to Delhi. सीता घर नहीं आ चुकी है, सीता has not come home, सीता has not come to house. हम लोग कबड्डी नहीं खेल चुके हैं, we have not played कबड्डी. हम लोग कबड्डी नहीं खेले हैं, we have not played कबड्डी. आप लोग यह काम नहीं किया है, you have not done this work. मैंने आपका काम नहीं किया है, I have not done your work. सीता यह काम नहीं कर चुकी है, सीता has not done this work. मैंने वह पाठ नहीं बनाया है, I have not solved that lesson. नीतीश कुमार भाषण नहीं दे चुके हैं, नीतीश कुमार has not delivered speech. नरेंद्र मोदी अमेरिका से नहीं आ चुके हैं, नरेंद्र मोदी has not come from America. आप दिल्ली जा चुके हैं, you have gone to Delhi. आप दिल्ली नहीं जा चुके हैं, you have not gone to Delhi. And friends, now it's time to have another sentence, that is interrogative sentence. So we'll deal with interrogative sentence, and this will be formula number 3. Yet we have done 2, affirmative and negative. This is formula number 3, and name of this formula will be interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Friends, there is no complexity, it's very easy. How? First, has or have will come, that means helping verb will come out and formula will remain same, and then you will find out the formula of interrogative sentence. That's very easy. And sentences like क्या आप दिल्ली जा चुके हैं, सीता क्या सीता घर जा चुकी है, क्या हम लोग खा चुके हैं, क्या वे लोग मर चुके हैं. These sentences are examples of interrogative sentence in present perfect tense. What should we do? We should write rule of this sentence. What will be the rule? Has or have will come first. Okay, has or have, then subject, then V3, okay, and then other words at last. Question mark or sign of interrogation is very important. If you talk about rules, क्या एम्ब्रोज खा चुका है, क्वेश्चन मार्क, ओके, क्या हम लोग खेल चुके हैं. Many sentences we can have. So here first has or have according to subject. Ambrose, third person singular number, has will come, has. Then subject Ambrose, proper noun, that's why it will start with capital letter. Has Ambrose खाना, V3, eaten. Has Ambrose eaten? Okay, क्या अम्ब्रोज खा चुका है, हैज एम्ब्रोज ईटन, यस. एंड क्या हम लोग कबड्डी खेल चुके हैं, सब्जेक्ट इज हम लोग, दैट्स व्हाई हैव विल कम. हैव वी प्लेड कबड्डी, हैव वी प्लेड कबड्डी. ओके, क्या आप दिल्ली जा चुके हैं, हैव यू गॉन टू दिल्ली. क्या सीता स्टेज पर नाच चुकी है, सीता डांस्ड ऑन द स्टेज. क्या विद्यार्थी लोग हल्ला कर चुके हैं, हैव द स्टूडेंट्स मेड नॉइजेस और हैव द स्टूडेंट्स नॉइज्ड. ओके, मेनी सेंटेंसेस. क्या सीता बाजार जा चुकी है, सीता गोन टू मार्केट. क्या मुख्यमंत्री यह घोषणा कर चुके हैं, हैज द चीफ मिनिस्टर अनाउंस्ड दिस. क्या शिक्षक अंग्रेजी पढ़ा चुके हैं, द टीचर taught English. Okay, and now we'll have negative interrogative sentence. That's very easy and no problem will come in the way of studying that sentence. negative interrogative sentence. That's very easy. What will be the rule? So first of all we'll write rule and then other things will be done. Rule of negative interrogative. Has or have, same before formula. Has or have, then subject, then not, then V3 plus other words plus question mark. Okay, it's very easy. Write down it on your notebook and have some examples on your own. And I write some examples like क्या आप मुझसे बात नहीं कर चुके हैं? क्या आप मुझसे बात नहीं कर चुके हैं? Many examples we can have. And at last we will practice. Okay. क्या नरेंद्र मोदी भाषण दे चुके हैं? Okay, now translate these two sentences. क्या आप मुझसे बात कर चुके हैं? First of all we have to write has or have. So आप is subject, that's why have will be written have. You, then not, after subject not. Have you not? Okay, बात करना, talked. Have you not talked मुझसे, to me? Have you not talked to me? It is completed. क्या नरेंद्र मोदी भाषण दे चुके हैं? Has नरेंद्र मोदी delivered speech? Okay. क्या मैं नहीं भाषण नहीं दे चुके हैं? Has नरेंद्र मोदी not delivered a speech? क्या आप यह किताब नहीं पढ़ चुके हैं? Have you not read this book? क्या मोहन वह काम नहीं कर चुका है? Has मोहन not done that work? क्या माँ खाना नहीं बनाई है? Has the mother not cooked? क्या नेताजी दिल्ली जा चुके हैं? Has the leader और has नेताजी gone to Delhi? क्या आप लोग घर आ चुके हैं? क्या आप लोग घर नहीं आ चुके हैं? Have you not come home? These sentences are the examples of negative interrogative sentence. And now we have two more sentences. So remain with us and we'll complete this video having dealt with two more types of formulas or sentences. That's very easy. WH questions and negative WH questions. Okay. So this will be fifth sentence. WH questions. Okay, it's very easy. First rule will start with WH word, then has or have, then subject, then V3, then other words plus question mark. Okay, and examples. मैं यहाँ क्यों आया हूँ। ओके, आप दिल्ली कब गए हैं। ओके, वह कबड्डी कैसे खेला है। ओके, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स एंड वी नीड टू ट्रांसलेट। मैं यहाँ क्यों आया हूँ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल WH वर्ड, वाई, कब, व्हेन, ओके, कैसे, हाउ। ओके, नेक्स्ट, देन हैज और हैव अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट। मैं, हैव आई, आप, हैव यू, ओके, एंड वह, हैज ही, बिकॉज खेला स्त्रीलिंग, सॉरी पुल्लिंग, वह हैज ही। एंड आना, कम, यहाँ, हियर। Okay, if you will follow rule, then no mistakes will be committed by you. आप दिल्ली कब गए हैं। When have you gone to Delhi? Okay, and वह कबड्डी कैसे खेला है। How has he played? Kabaddi. It's very easy. And now one more. Okay, have some examples like आप मुझसे बात क्यों की है। Why have you talked to me? आप मेरी बात क्यों माने हैं। Why have you obeyed me? मैं आपको यह क्यों बताया। Why have I told you? पिताजी घर क्यों गए। Why has the father gone to house? आप मेरी बात कैसे माने हैं। How have you obeyed me? These are the examples of present perfect tense in WH questions. And now negative WH questions. Okay, so negative WH questions rule will be very easy. Only not will come after subject and then rule will become have or has subject plus not plus V3. In this way we have completed the rules of negative WH questions. Okay, now examples will have to take phrase examples. That's why no confusion will occur in order to understand present perfect tense. Okay, it's very easy. Examples, what can be examples? आप दिल्ली कब नहीं गए हैं। ओके, सीता तुम्हारी बात कैसे नहीं मानी है। ओके, तुम लोग घर क्यों नहीं गए हो। These are some examples of negative WH questions and it's very easy to be translated like first WH word, here कब, here कैसे and here why, क्यों, कब, when, then कैसे, how and then kyun, why. Okay, according to subject, have or has will come. Aap, have you. Okay, and then Sita, has Sita, and then तुम लोग, have you. Okay, after subject, not will come. Not, because these are negative sentences. Not, and then gone to Delhi. Gone to Delhi. ओके, आप दिल्ली क्यों नहीं गए हैं, कब नहीं गए. व्हेन हैव यू नॉट गॉन टू दिल्ली. तुम्हारी बात कैसे नहीं मानी है. नॉट ओबेड यू, वेरी इजी. बात मानना, ओबे. तुम्हारी बात मानना, ओबे यू. मेरी बात मानना, ओबे मी. सीता की बात मानना, ओबे सी. उन लोगों की बात मानना, ओबे देम. लाइक दिस, वेरी इजी. एंड तुम लोग घर क्यों नहीं गए हो. व्हाई हैव यू नॉट गॉन होम. Okay, why have you not gone home? Friends, in this way we have completed present perfect tense, and that's very easy. And now it's time to practice. Have one sentence, and I'll convert one sentence into 6 sentences, and that will build concept among me and among you. How? मैं जा चुका हूँ, I have gone. मैं नहीं जा चुका हूँ, I have not gone. क्या आप जा चुके, have you gone. क्या आप नहीं जा चुके, have you not gone. मैं कब जा चुका हूँ, when have I gone. मैं कब नहीं जा चुका हूँ, when have I not gone. In this way you have to have many sentences, and many sentences must be converted into 6 each sentence. Okay, now have one more sentence like राम कबड्डी खेल चुका है. राम हैज प्लेड कबड्डी. दिस इज अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके, राम कबड्डी नहीं खेल चुका है. दिस इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, एंड द ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस राम नहीं खेल चुका है विल बी राम हैज नॉट प्लेड. ओके, क्या राम खेल चुका है, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, हैज राम प्लेड. क्या राम नहीं खेल चुका है, नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, हैज राम नॉट प्लेड. मैं कैसे खेल चुका हूँ, सॉरी, राम कैसे खेल चुका है, हाउ हैज राम प्लेड. एंड WH क्वेश्चंस एंड नेगेटिव WH क्वेश्चंस, राम कैसे नहीं खेल चुका है, हाउ हैज राम नॉट प्लेड. एंड यू कैन हैव मोर sentences for your practice, and due to practice or having practice you can make your English and spoken English strong, and that's why you have to practice. And thank you so much because you watch my video on a regular basis. Thank you so much.